In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile. This is a great way to showcase your projects and technical skills to potential employers or collaborators who visit your professional page. By linking these two platforms, you give viewers a direct path to see your coding work and contributions. Let's dive right in and walk through this process together. First, head over to GitHub by navigating to github.com in your web browser. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're logged in, take your mouse to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find your profile icon. Click on it to reveal the drop-down menu and then select Profile from this list. Now you will be on your GitHub profile page. On this page, look to the address bar at the top of your browser window. You'll see a URL there. This is the link to your GitHub profile. Highlight this URL and copy it to your clipboard. This is the link that will be added to your LinkedIn profile. Now that you have your GitHub link ready, it's time to head over to LinkedIn. Open a new tab in your browser and go to linkedin.com. Similar to GitHub, if you're not logged in, sign into your LinkedIn account. Once you've successfully logged in, locate your profile icon again at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it, which will reveal an option to view your profile. Go ahead and click on View Profile to proceed. On your LinkedIn profile page, you'll see a pencil icon about halfway down the page, adjacent to your profile picture. This icon is used to edit your personal information, so click on it to get started. This opens up a section where you can edit your details. Look for the option that says Contact Info and click on Edit Contact Info. This step brings up another window where you can manage websites linked to your profile. Once in the Contact Info section, you'll notice an option to Add Website. Click on this to add a new link. In the text field that appears, paste the GitHub URL you copied earlier. Make sure it's the correct link by checking it begins with https://github.com/ followed by your username. After pasting your link, verify everything looks good and is just the way it should be. If so, all that's left to do is save your changes. Look for the Save button, which you'll find at the bottom of this window. Clicking this ensures your GitHub link is now live on your LinkedIn profile, making it accessible to anyone viewing your profile. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you have successfully added your GitHub link to your LinkedIn profile, providing viewers a glimpse into your coding journey. This can be a valuable addition to showcasing your professional brand. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.